Good morning everyone, Newborn Investor here and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully we get some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. But before we get into today's video, if you really appreciate my live trades, show me some support by hitting the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market, we have a mixed trend. Triple Q and SPY gapping down. I think today would be another sell-off day, but we have to be very careful since the trend is not clear. I have to see how Triple Q and SPY reacts at market open and then define my trades based on that. So that's the plan. Going into market open, we do have around 3 minutes to market open. So I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open, watching SPY. It's going to be a sell-off day. See how quickly it reversed. Bottoming tail. Trying to get in around 880. I'm in. Getting out for now. Added back again, 970. $10.70. I got out of one contract. I'm just holding the remaining. Can break down. Yep. Out for now. $364. I'll take it. Bottoming tail. I did not like how SPY was hesitating to drop. I was also watching chart of SPX. On the daily, I did have a level marked around 3583. As you could see here, SPX did have a low of 3584. And I expected a bigger flush around this retest area. It did not happen. And that's the reason why I took the trade out. Apart from SPY, I'm also watching SPX, Tesla, and Triple Q. So if you look at Tesla, on the 5-minute chart, you see what happened. And also on Triple Q, you could see a big bottoming tail. That's why I took the position out. Now, if it breaks down, that's a confirmation. Clearly finding support around this area. Retesting again. $880, I got in. got me this time. Closing for now. Gave back most of my profits. I could not cancel it. Just selling 2 at 8. Just got out of 2 at 780 because that was not a planned ad. Now got out of the remaining. Watching carefully. Don't want to take this around the EMA right now. Top and tail. SPY almost retraced 50%. It's really weak and choppy. Getting in at 930. $890 added. Getting out. It's not having that follow through. Glad I took it out. I sold at 780 and now it's at 740. I was waiting for that breakdown and it did not have the follow through. 330 I got it. This time expecting a breakdown. Got out for now. So choppy. How many times it's trying to break down? 880, trying to get in. Out for now. SPY is hesitating to drop. Now it's going. But this is not the kind of flush I was expecting. Getting in at 730. Out for now. I may have to settle for a red day today. The moves are not clean. It's really choppy. It's not giving the flush that I was looking for. And I don't want to revenge trade and go even deep in the red. So I'll call it a day. Not a great day of trading, but $250 loser is something I could definitely work with. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.